This video tutorial I will explain value of method of java.sql.time class which accept local time object. Here I have defined the class time demo. Here I have created local time object. Then I am calling value of method of time class and passing local time. This method convert local time to java.sql.time object. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.